This is a tutorial on how to update and manage the backgrounds of different settings and modules within the Divi builder. So I'm using a pre-made layout from Divi. And as you can see, as I scroll down, it's got different sections, and some have background, some have background images, some have background colors, and I'll show you how to make those adjustments. If you just want to, let's just start with this. So if you wanted to add a background color to the entire section, we're going to hover over the section and get the blue backed menu here. So we're going to click on the section settings, and then in the content tab, we're going to navigate to background. And as you can see right here, this is already white. So what we can do here is we can actually change the color. We can make a gradient. We can add an image, or we can add a background video. So if we were going to change the background color, we could add something from our palette. We could enter a hex code here. We could actually move this around and choose a color if we wanted to, and then we can adjust opacity and the brightness using these two little levers here, and you can make those adjustments manually. If you wanted to add a gradient, so if I wanted to take this out, let's say I save it, and then I decide I want to take it out, I can just delete it. Clicking on that little trash can button removes any changes that I just made. If I want to add a gradient, what I can do is click on this, and now I can choose this color. This is going to be hideous because I don't have any, let's say, I'll just do random colors. So this is a big section, so we want to see how it looks. Actually, it doesn't look that bad. It could be worse, I guess. But what's going to happen is it's going to show you on the screen your two colors. The left color will be your top color, and the right color will be your bottom. And we can change this to this. Is a little more dynamic here. So change it to white. Of course, it's not going to be, oh, that's not too bad. That's okay. We can change it to an image if we wanted to use a background image. That's terrible. I wouldn't use that, just for example. Video, I don't have any videos loaded, so I can't show you that. But this is how you would update the background to an entire section. So let me take this off. And we'll take off this. I'll leave that there. If I only wanted to do the background for a section, so a text, let's say a text block, again, I go into the settings, content, background, and I can change this to just the background of the text block here, and I can change the opacity here. So if I have color here and then I decide I want to change it, again, just click on the trash basket icon, and that removes it. So these background settings can be done for entire sections. I can do it for a column. So if I want to make the background of the column a color, actually, if I do it for columns, you need to do them in here. We do them column by column is the way it works here. So let's go back into our settings, and we'll choose this one. The background here, we'll make that green, and you can see it updated the background of those sections, the column within the background of each column within this row. And I can actually change, let's see, and for text blocks, I can change the background. I did that up there. And then this one is actually for a section, and it has two things. So we have a color, and we have, oh gosh, that's something else, huh? Okay, so there are two things now. Let's go back, and you can see here there's an image. If I just wanted it to be a color without this image, I could delete that, and I still have that. Oh, my bad. Just has that color there. So that's how you update the background, color, and settings of a section, column, and module in Divi.